By the way,
this is the kid we have come to visit. She is super talented. She is the youngest content creator in the whole region, northern region. Yes. So she's amazing. We are happy to see her. Guys, let's go into our home. Guys, this kid, just because we are new faces to her, otherwise she is a very confident girl. She is the youngest content creator in the northern part of Uganda. She is amazing. You're going to discover her more. Yeah. Oh guys, before we go very far, this is just a little girl. Come here, mama. This is just a little girl. Of course, as you can see her, definitely in our heads we know she has parents, the people who brought her in the world. So we brought the gifts for the family.
We also want to, there's something we have not, we also want to appreciate the man behind the scene of the Nyara Kill gang.
You don't want to come here.
Yeah, man. Hello, Tonnycp comment.
Hello, and Jojo the African girl.
So, Mama Jumakanya don't know. Jumakanya go begoling and only I didn't have a new ruggy. Milanya gang again don't know. And last time my video carrying a berutie. Wafue matek me go wafue me Julio Anyarakin gang. Punyan, and then you muse
Mukaikuru. Oya punya ko.
You are going to be more down.
Amai mo na
What
ko.
you tasted?
Ya amai ko.
What you tasted? What tasted?
Nyinga wa nyigo.
Nyingane. Yo, Mukaikur come. I don't know no kabele mzee Mukaikur. Ona foi matek matimba. And they got a window and it's a little madung dear and gonna introducing and so before I ending video in it, America knew come